Evening, sir.
Good evening, children. How are you?
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I don't know what all, but I'm good.
Okay, in the last class, we were going through what topic? We were going through coordinate geometry, right? Coordinate geometry, we were solving the questions. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go with that. And after this, we will have a quiz at the end of the class. Lalit, you just remind me once, okay? Okay, children. Is Lalit here?
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So now, so everyone solve this question. Find the centroid of triangle ABC whose vertices are given to you. He is asking us to find the centroid.
Sir, can we discuss Sunday's paper?
We will discuss. Okay, we will discuss that first then today. Okay, we'll discuss that paper. I'll posting the results today.
Sir, I was traveling on the Sunday, sir. I even informed Manoj, sir. So that's the reason I couldn't attempt the test, sir.
Okay. Look at the first question, distance between this point and this point. What was the formula, beta? Square root of, what was the formula? For that, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance between 2 points. Correct? So now, if you observe this properly, this is my x1, this is my y1. Correct? And this is
Yes.
my x2 and comma y2. Just substitute all these points here. What you're going to get? So 0 minus a whole square plus b minus 0 whole square, which means you will be getting square root of a square plus b square. Option D is correct. Very simple question. Let me go for the next question. Let me clear the skin. Shall I clear? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next question. The ratio in which this divides the join of this ends. We have to find out ratio beta. Look at this here. He has taken internal ratio. Answer is going to be 2:3. Hope everyone might have done this question. Any doubts? So very simple
Sir,
question.
how to
We need to find out ratio. I asked you to take look at this. This is the point given to you. 4,5 point. We have already solved this, and this is x1, y1, x2, y2. mx2 we don't know. M into x2, which is 7, plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Okay, and okay, we need one coordinate. You just need not to do this as well. Same thing, you substitute, you will get the y coordinate here. Even you do not do that, that doesn't make a sense. Now we need to find out m and n value, right? So let us equate this. 7m plus 2n divided by m plus n. I think same question we have solved. 4m plus 4n is equal 7m plus 2n. So 3m beta is equal to 2m. So look at it, m by n is what? 2 by 3. Correct answer is 2 by 3 is the right answer. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? You need not to find out y coordinate here. Any one coordinate, you just compare with its corresponding coordinate. 4 is x coordinate here. This is x coordinate here. Now I'll be comparing these two. 5 is y coordinate here. I didn't find out y coordinate here. I would have equated both of them. Getting my point? Very simple. Hope you are getting my
Sir,
point.
sir, how did you get 7 and 2 like after m and n?
You know the formula?
Sir, I didn't attend the classes while you were saying I was traveling.
No, I'm saying that I asked you to go through the record. Why didn't you go through? I'm asking you only. Why didn't you go through?
Sir, I was traveling, sir. I had no time. First,
No.
after going, we had.
After traveling.
Sir, yesterday only we came. I slept and I woke up. I had, and again I slept. I woke up for class.
Okay, this is the formula. Please go through that. This is the formula, beta. This is the formula I use here. Okay. So same formula you use for the y coordinate. Look at it here. By using this is x coordinate, and this is y coordinate. Okay. All right. Getting my point now? Understood? How I got
Yes,
that?
sir.
I use that formula. Please kindly everyone do revise the notes. Without revising, you will not understand anything. Okay. So next question, guys. Let us not waste much time. Next question. And third question, what he has given, guys, we are discussing the question paper of the last week of the Sunday's test. So everyone, please be attentive in the class. So A, B, and P are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, right angled at P. Then Y is what? Wow. We are going to apply here Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Same. Look at this here. He has given. Look at this here. This is A. This is B. This is P. Right angled at P has given. So as we know that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So AB square is equal to PA square plus PB square. This is the formula I used here. Very simple. Look at this here. And AB square. AB how much beta? A and B. We need to find out A and B. What is A point? This is A point. What is B point? Given to you. AB is nothing but what? X2 minus X1. Are you able to follow the class? AB is nothing but distance between A and B. Hello, X1, Y1, X2, Y2.
Yes, sir.
X2 minus X1 whole square, 11 minus 5 whole square, minus 5 minus 3 whole square. So now, how 11 minus 5 is nothing but 6 whole square, 36. Now here 8 minus 8 whole square, which is 64. So here 100 you will get, which is nothing but 10. Correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. So AB square is what now? In fact, okay, AB square we need. So AB value 10. I got AB square is 100. Correct? Now PA square. PA is what? P value given. A value given. PA is what now? PA is nothing but what? PA. Observe my point here. P is x1 comma y1. A is x2 comma y2. Understood? So x2 minus x1 whole square. So 5 minus 12 whole square plus 3 minus y whole square. Okay. So what you are going to get here? 5 minus 12 how much? 7. 7 square 49. Here a square, a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 6y. All right. So we need PA square, right? So PA square is nothing but what you left with here now? 49 plus 9, 58 plus y square minus 60y. This is my PA square. Okay, this is AB square. This is PA square. What we need? PB square we need. So where can I find out PB square? Look at it here. PB square I'm finding on the top. PB square is nothing but this is x1, y1, x2, y2. PA is nothing but P is going to be my first coordinate. B coordinates of B is going to be my what? X2 comma y2. Coordinates of P is going to be x1 comma y1 since we are talking about PB, right? So PB we are finding, right? So let us not write PB square. PB. Now square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So 12 minus 11 whole square plus y minus the minus plus 5 whole square. So what you are going to get better now? So 1 plus a square plus b square plus 10y. So we need PB square, right? So PB square is nothing but, so 25, in fact you write like in order, y square plus 10y plus 26. Any doubts? Any doubt till
No
this?
doubt, sir.
Very simple. I didn't do anything. I used the same formula. I just found out AB, PA and PB. That's it. Clear?
Understood, sir.
Now let me erase and create some space here, or else let me write here itself. So PAB square, right? AB square is what, beta? AB square was 100 is equal PA square. PA square was y square minus 6y plus 58 plus PB square. What was the PB square? Look at this here. Y square plus 10y plus 26. So what we have to do now? Check. Look at this here. Let me write here. Let me use different color. So 100 is equal y square plus y square beta 2y square. Okay. Plus 10y minus 6y how much? Plus 4y. 58 plus 26 how much? 70, 84. Am I correct? So can I take 2 common on both sides? Can I take 2 common? Y square plus 2y plus 42. Okay. Can I cancel now 2 ones, 2 50s?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this here. So y square plus 2y, 42 minus 50 how much? Minus 8. Okay. All right. So can I factorize that? Can I factorize this better now? Factorization. Hello. Factorization. I don't have space. One second.
Sir, split the middle.
Splitting the middle the method. That's it. Look at this here. Y square. So minus 8 I need. Minus 8 is nothing but 4y minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Let me just pull this side. Okay.
Sir, y plus 2 in both brackets we'll get, sir.
Y of plus 4 minus 2 common. Y of plus 4 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 4 or y is equal to 2. This is the answer. Minus 4 comma 2. Minus 4 comma 2. Where do we have minus 4 comma 2?
Sir,
4 comma 2. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Understood my point? Guys, any doubt? Simple question. This type of
Understood,
questions you will be getting. Let me clear the screen. Shall I clear the screen? Shall I clear the screen or not?
yes, sir.
Okay. Next. If this are collinear, then X is what? For collinear, what I told beta? For collinear, what was the condition? If I take this as A, this as B, this as C, what it must be? AC is equal AB, I mean AC square plus is equal to AB square plus BC square. Collinear is nothing but, look at it here. This is A, this is B, this is C. So if all these points are in the same line, is A, B, C are can be called as collinear. So what was the condition for collinearity? AC square is equal AB square plus BC square. So this is the condition for collinearity condition. Okay, collinearity condition. Okay, for the collinear points condition. So that is what the condition I wrote here. Now look
Sir,
at
I
it.
have a small doubt, sir.
Yes.
Now, if we have to use the formula, we have to keep in place of A one time X, then the second time 2, like that. Should we do, or together should we place them?
You listen it, your doubt will be clarified. Don't worry. Okay. Now what is AC here? First of all, we need to find out AC. AC is nothing but what, beta? Distance between point A and point C. Okay. So distance between point A and point C is nothing but coordinate x1 is y1 is what? This is x1 y1. What is x2 y2? This is x2 y2. Okay. So x2 minus x1 whole square. So 7 minus x whole square plus minus 5 is y2. y2 minus y1 whole square. Minus y1 is nothing but 2 whole square. All right. So now expand this. A square plus b square minus 2ab is nothing but minus 14x. Here minus 7 whole square is nothing but 49. Okay. So now AC is equal to, I am continuing down. 49 plus 49 how much beta? 98. X square minus 14x plus 98. Okay. So we need AC square. which is nothing but x square minus 14x. This is x square. Correct? Understood my point? Now we need AB. We need AB. AB is nothing but what? Distance between A and B. A and B. AB.
The -3 -4.
-3 minus x whole square
Okay.
plus -4 minus 2 whole square. X2 minus x1, right? So what you are going to get now? AB is equal to
9 minus x whole square. 9
A
plus
square
x.
plus B square plus 2AB, 6x, here plus 36. Correct? So how did you write that? Sir, we don't have minus 3x minus like this. We don't have formula, right? What can I do with it? Inside, let us take minus common. Okay, if I take minus common, minus this minus whole square is nothing but plus or not. Anyway, it is going to become a plus b whole square formula only. Understood? So if I expand this, you will get this data. Okay. Hope you got clarity on this. Okay. So now we need AB square here. So what we need here, x square plus 6x plus 45. This is my AB square. What we need again? BC. BC is square, right? So let us find out BC. B is nothing but this is my BC, right? So let's draw the coordinates. Here this is this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Let's use BC now. BC is nothing but so 7 minus so 10. 7 minus minus plus so 7 plus 3 whole square minus 5 plus 4 whole square. So what you are going to get now? 10 means 100 minus 1 whole square means 1. So 101. So this is BC. We need BC square. So which is nothing but 101. Okay. Now look at this here. So this was my star equation, right? Let us take this as star equation. So from the star equation, what can AC square is nothing but what? X square minus 14x plus 98 is equal to AB square is nothing but x square plus 6x plus 45 plus BC square is nothing but 101. Here, so x square will be getting cancelled on both sides. So minus 14x minus 6x, how much better? Minus 20x and 45 plus 101, 146. 146 minus 98 minus 20x is equal to how much better? How much you get here? So 48. Am I correct?
Yes.
48.
Sir, which one you are asking, sir?
146 minus 98. Okay.
48 only, no, sir?
48. So, but x value they are
Minus
getting,
100 plus 2 we should do, no, sir.
but our options are not matching. Then we made some calculation mistake. Where we made a calculation mistake? Check. Somewhere we made a plus minus mistake. Once again, let me scan again. AC is what? So 7 minus x whole square minus 5 minus 2 whole square. A square plus b square minus 3b plus 49. AC is right. AB is what? I took x comma 2 as A, minus 3 comma minus 4 as B, 7 comma minus 5 as C. AB minus 3 minus x whole square minus 4 minus from the BC.
Sir, I don't feel we made any mistakes, sir.
Check. I think somewhere there's been calculation. The coordinates are wrong or what then? I have to check it again. What is the mistake, guys? Where is the mistake? No one is in the class?
Sir, I'm there, but I did again same answer I'm getting.
What about others? What about Zoya, Vishnu, Manogna, Shreyasi, Sahasra? Why you guys are not responding in the class? Anvesha, Adya,
But even I got the same answer.
Manogna. Yes, everyone should respond. You know, if you
Sir,
are,
my mic wasn't working for a while.
then why you are not responding? Why you people are not responding? Do you think like you don't have responsibility to respond in the class? See, then everyone is, if everyone is getting the same thing, what is the x value then? Look at this, x is minus 20x. Let's write here minus 20x. How much here? 48, right?
Yes, sir.
So x value is going to be minus uh, 12 by 5. 4 12s and 4 5s. This should be the answer then, as per the equation which we got. As per that, this x value should be minus 12 by 5. Clear? Any doubts?
Sir, what like that option is not there, sir. That only I'm getting.
Yes.
Yes. Option is not matching, so minus 12 by should be minus 12 by 5 should be the answer. It is not there. No problem. Okay, no problem. Leave this question. Leave this question. We'll go for the next question. We'll give a mark. Next, the ratio in which x-axis divides the line segment this and this. X-axis. X-axis is nothing but the coordinates are going to be what? X comma 0. On x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. So the ratio in which x-axis. So x comma 0 here, and a point given to you this one, b point given to you this one. Use sectional formula. Anything you use beta. Look at this here. We'll use internal division. So okay. So what we do here is x comma 0. X comma 0. N x2 plus n x1 by n plus n. Okay. And m y2. Y2 is what? Minus 3 plus n y1 6 divided by n plus n. So equating this is equal to this. We need to find m value, right? M and n value. Minus 3m plus 6n divided by n plus n, which is equal to 0. Minus 3m plus 6n is equal to 0. Minus 3m is equal to minus 6n. Minus minus will get cancelled. 3 1s, 3 2s. M by n is equal to 2 by 1. I got 2 by 1. 2 by 1 should be the answer. Yes. Look at it. 2. Option A is correct. Hello guys. 2 by 1 and 2 both are correct only. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. 2 by 1 can be written as 2:1. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you like explain how you got minus 3m plus 6n by
Hey
m?
Babu, have you revised the formula, Lalit? What is the formula, man? Here I don't know the ratio, right? Ratio I'm taking it as m comma n. Ratio I'm taking it as m is to n.
Yes, sir. M into x2 plus n into
I took,
x1
let us
by
take internal division. Since he has not given what division it is, I'm taking internal division formula. What is the formula? M x2. What is x2 here? This is x1 y1, x2 y2. That's it. First point is x1 comma y1. Second point is x2 comma y2. Clear? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
So let me clear. Now you got the clarity. Lalit.
So like I still didn't understand how you got minus 3m plus 6 by m plus n.
Okay. So hope. Sorry. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Next. Next question. Both coordinates of any point are negative. Then the point will be lying in what? Point will be lying in what?
The third
Both
quadrant.
Third quadrant.
coordinates of any point are negative. Then the point will be lying in what? Third quadrant. Very simple. Okay. The distance of the point, this from the x-axis, is
So
what?
3. So 5.
5. Why? Because on the x-axis is nothing but how do you find out on x-axis beta y coordinate will be 0. Distance from the distance of the point from the y-axis. That is very simple about 5 only directly. 3, 5. Look at it. This is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. 3, 5 would be somewhere. Let me say this is 3. This is 5 here. 3, 5 would be somewhere here. Okay.
So like can you like explain the third one? I
One
didn't
second.
understand the
One
last
second.
one.
Distance of the point 3, 5 from the x-axis. From the x-axis, what is the point? How much distance it is? This is x-axis, Babu. How much distance it is? From the x-axis, it is 5 units or not? Why? Because this unit is 5, so it will be also 5. From the x-axis, it is in the distance of 5 units. So 5 is the answer. Understood?
So can you explain the third one again? The like the ending part. I don't understand.
What did you do that time? What did you do that time? Now you are asking, Lalit. See, I erased everything, man. I have to write it again. You understand my point? So,
Sir, I only want the answer.
tell
I
me what is the equation?
understand.
What is the equation? Tell me what is the equation? What was the
50 is
equation?
equal to 2y.
Sorry. Hello. What is the
Yes.
last equation before factorization? What we got? Hello. Arey, what was the equation, man? Before finding y value, we wrote one equation. We got one equation, right? See, right angle triangle I got. For AB, I got one thing. For PA, I got one thing. Okay. For PB, I got one thing. So after solving this one, we got one equation. What is the equation I'm asking?
Sir, 1 by 2. X.
Yo, no. What I'm asking, are you able to understand my language? I'm asking that AB square is equal to PA square plus PB square. Okay, after simplifying all this beta, we got one equation. From that equation, I factorized for getting y values.
Yes, sir.
What is the equation I'm asking? No one is writing the notes. Am I correct? Why you all are not writing the notes? Are you guys writing the notes? Hello? If you are not writing the notes, people, tell me why you are not writing.
Sir, I'm writing, sir.
Then tell me what is that equation, beta? What is the equation you got? I wrote that equation clearly. Whatever I wrote, I'm asking you to tell that equation. Hello? You understand my question? What I'm asking?
Yes, sir. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to A square plus B square.
C square is equal to.
C square is equal to A square plus B square. Pythagoras theorem.
Hello, that I'm talking about third question. Lalit is asking for third question. He didn't understand how we got this y values. Am I correct, Lalit?
Yes, sir.
Before for that, did you write the notes, Lalit? Last part you didn't understand. Before that you wrote. Last part you didn't understand, right? The before that I wrote couple of steps. Did you write those steps? I'm asking you guys only. Please try to respond. Hello. Lalit ji, are you here?
Yes, sir. Like I didn't write because I didn't understand the part.
Then you should have asked me that time itself, right, Lalit?
Yes, sir.
Anyone of you wrote? Now it is a very big thing. Again finding A, B, B, C. Again finding what is that? A, B, A, P, P, B. Again finding that is a difficult again. It is a time wasting process. I thought of finishing all the questions now itself. It's a very easy question paper. Anyone of you wrote? See guys, how many of you are in the class? 1 second, let me. So total 13 members, excluding I. Total 13 students are there. None of you guys have written the notes. Simultaneously, you have to copy whatever I'm just doing here. Presence of mind is very important. You have to be in the class. Even without even deviating for a single second, your presence is very important here. Okay, Lalit, you do one thing. I will not solve it again. You do one thing. Go through the recordings. Please do watch it. If you don't understand, you just text me in WhatsApp. Okay, I'm sure it is a very easy. You will understand it.
Yes,
I
sir.
got one equation, beta. I just factorized it. I splitted millimeter for getting y value. You know how to factorize the equation, right?
Yes, sir.
You know that you will understand it. Please go through the recording. I request everyone, please do write the notes.
Sir, that third question, if I saw again and if I saw it now, I'm getting 2 and -4, sir. The option one, the third option, sir. -4 and 2.
That is the answer, ma. That is the answer only.
That I got if I solved, sir. That only I got.
Then tell me what is the equation? How did you get? What is the equation at last? Last of how did you get? Tell me.
Sir, I took y square minus 6y plus 58 plus y square plus 10y plus 26 is equals to 100.
Last equation. After simplifying that, what you got?
2y square plus 4y minus 16 is equals to 0.
This is what you got. So taking 2 common.
Sir, first I solved for those AP square, PB square and AB square. And AB square, we got 101, sir. But when I solved, I got 100.
Wait. Here 8y square, right? This can be written as what, like this?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct? Now taking y common. Minus 2 common. Lalit. Y value -4 and y value is 2. So
Yes.
-4 comma 2. Option C is correct. This is the last part of the third question. Is there any difficulty to understand, man?
So, but we got 1/2 or something, sir.
No, that was a different question, ma. That was a different question. Let me tell you which question you are talking about. Is this the question you are asking, Lalit?
Yes, sir. This is the one, the third one.
Now, I think this question, the fourth one you are talking about, Nitya.
Okay, yes, sir. Sorry.
Not that one. See, listen the class properly, everyone. So sixth one is third quadrant, and seventh one is a 5 units. Very simple. I just shown the diagram. Okay. Next, the abscissa of a point is the distance of a point from what? Abscissa is nothing but what beta? Abscissa.
Sir,
Look at it.
x-axis.
Coordinates. So
X-axis.
y-axis.
Abscissa. Look at it. This is my abscissa. X coordinate is abscissa, and y coordinate is.
Ordinate.
Okay. Abscissa is a point. Is distance of that point from where? From y-axis. From distance from y-axis, the distance is what? Look at it. From this to this. From y-axis. From this is y-axis, but from this, whatever the point I just draw, that would be an x-axis. That denotes the x-axis coordinate, right? I mean x coordinate. So that is what. From where? From which point? From y-axis. Hope you are understanding. Abscissa is a point, the distance of a point from y-axis. Ordinate is a point, is the distance of the point from x-axis. Ordinate is from x-axis, abscissa is from y-axis. Chalo, next. Perpendicular distance of a point from the x-axis is known as what? Again, look, perpendicular distance. Look at it. Perpendicular distance is nothing but what? X-axis, this is x-axis. Look at the perpendicular distance of a point from the x-axis. Look at it. This is my perpendicular distance. Some point, let me draw. This is some point. Let's say x comma y point. Okay, beta. Here, this is perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance is this is what perpendicular distance. Do you know what is perpendicular distance, beta? If two lines are perpendicular, if two lines are making 90 degrees, that is what perpendicular distance. This is how we draw the perpendicular distance. I think you have not studied this perpendicular. Am I correct?
Yes.
Perpendicular is nothing but if I draw a line like this, or you say that if I extend this, if I draw like this, it should be in the form of like T. It should be in the form of ulta T, reverse T. All right, reverse T. That is perpendicular. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So perpendicular distance of a point from the x-axis is known as what? Now tell me, what is this now, beta? From the x-axis, what is this? Ordinate or not? Ordinate, y-axis or not? Y coordinate or not?
Yes, sir, it's ordinate only.
Why? Because whatever the distance, this black color distance is equal to y coordinate or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Imagine, don't remember anything here. Try to observe the things, feel it. Okay, next.
So this one is 0, 2.
Which point lies on the y-axis?
0, 2, 0, 2.
Lies on the y-axis. Look at this here. Let me draw every point. 3, 2 will be somewhere 3 here, 2 here. 3, 2 will be somewhere here. Minus 3, 2. Minus 3, 2 would be somewhere here. Look at this. I'm just drawing a rough diagram. Minus 3, 2 would be somewhere here. Okay. 0, 2 would be where? 0, 2 would be somewhere here.
So that's lying on the y-axis.
2, 0. 2, 0 would be somewhere here. This is 2, 0 somewhere. He's asking point which lies on the y-axis. 0, 2. Okay. Which point is lying on the y-axis now? 0, 2 or not? So that is what the answer. Next. Are you all here? Listening? Yes. Understanding? Adya, Anvesha, Ayesha. Arey yaar, how many names we have? Adya, Anvesha, Ayesha, Ayush. I just really getting confused with these names. Yeah.
Sir, once can you scroll up? I just want to see this question.
Sorry?
So once scroll up, I need to see the 6th question.
Sixth question.
Oh no, sir, 5th one, I mean. Yes, sir.
I'll share it later, man. You know, this recording will be uploaded. Don't worry. You can go through that again. Done. Next. Next question. Tell me. 1 second, guys. Tell me, guys. So option C is correct for the 10th one. 11th question. Which are the points do not lie on the x-axis? P or T is the answer. You just plot the points. Hope you aware how to plot these coordinates on the graph. Guys, do you know how to plot this?
Sir, it's PR and T, right?
Huh? Yes, tell me, guys. What is the answer done? C only is correct. Answer C is the right answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, the midpoint of the sides. The midpoint of these sides, the vertex of the triangle opposite to this. Guys, whatever we learned, that is exactly whatever we have learned, guys. From that only the questions has been asked. Just a minute. 1 second. I think where is this charger? ஒரே ஒரு செகண்ட். 1 minute मुझे दे दो. Yes, tell me. The midpoints of the triangle. The midpoints of the triangles are this one. The vertex of the triangle opposite to this is what? Okay, this is a triangle, Babu. This is A. Let's say this is B. This is C. Okay. Okay. Midpoints of the triangle. Let's say this is -1, 3. This is -2, 4. Let's say something like that. This is 2, -5, like that. Okay. The vertex of the triangle opposite to -1, 3 is what? Look at this here. We need to find out vertex of the triangle opposite to -1, 3. What is opposite to -1, 3? C is the opposite, right? What is the C coordinate? We need to find out. Hope you are understanding what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. How many of you did this question? How many of you didn't do? I'm asking you people only. Array, I'm asking. Sorry.
I was traveling and this.
No, no, what about others? Have you at least tried it? Hmm? Let's have you at least tried it? I'm asking. Hello, are you guys here? Hmm. Yes, yes. Tell me, someone is talking here.
Sir, I've done it, but I didn't get the answer.
Hmm. Look at this here. First of all, you need to understand one thing here. If I say this is A, B, C, let's say D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of BC, and F is the midpoint of AC. Let's say like that. Let us assume like that. Okay, no problem. Okay, Anvesha. Okay, this is what. If you observe this properly, DF. This DF is there, right? This DF. This is DF, right? DF is parallel to BE or not?
Yes, sir.
And this EF is parallel to BD or not?
Yes, sir.
So now here D, B, E, F, E is a parallelogram. This is like, you have to do many questions based on this. Many of you might haven't gone through this. It's a parallelogram, right? So diagonals of the parallelogram, what? They bisect each other. Again, you will be learning, I said, right? So we just had a concept. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, which means both diagonals have the same midpoint. What is the meaning of that? Diagonals of the bisector, they bisect each other, which means both the diagonals have the same midpoint, which means yes, we need to find out midpoint. So what we need to find out here, midpoint. I'm not talking about the question, guys. I'm talking about the concept. So midpoint of BF is equal to midpoint of D, correct? Isn't it? Both are equal. If I equate both the things better, you will be getting what? The coordinates x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
So midpoint of BF. So what is A given? Let us say that minus 1 comma 3. B is what? Minus 2 comma 4. And C is what? 2 comma minus 5. This is very deep concept. You haven't learned beta. See here, if I just frame here, this is parallel to this one. This is parallel to this one. And this is framing a parallelogram. Since diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other, which means both the diagonals will be having same midpoint. So midpoint of BF is equal to midpoint of DE. What I said, both the diagonals will be having same midpoint, which means equal symbol. Same means equal. So midpoint of BF, midpoint of BF, midpoint of DE. So now I do not know. Let us say that F. I do not know the F, right? 1 second. Let me do one thing. Let me write properly. This is F, right? So yes, now here midpoint of BF. What is BL? Minus 2 comma 4. We are finding coordinates. Sorry, we wrote ulta coordinates, boys. These are not what is as beta. He has given what? Look at his midpoints he has given. So D, this is D, this is E, this is F. Understood my point now? Hello? They have given midpoint. Look at this here.
Yes, sir.
He is talking about midpoints of sides of a triangle. This is D, This is E, this is F. So now what I'm going to do, midpoint of B. Now let me take this is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. Let us say this is x3 comma y3. Now midpoint of B, I'm trying to find out what coordinates of ABC. I mean, what is as of the triangle given to you, we are going to find out. What is midpoint of BF now? What is midpoint of BF? Midpoint of BF. B value you have, F value you have. What is F here? 2 comma 5. So x2 plus 2 by 2 comma minus 5 plus y2 by 2 is equal df. What is d value? D value is minus 1 and so de, right? De, e value is what? Minus 2 plus de, minus 2 plus e is what? Minus 2 plus 2. 1 second. De, d is nothing but minus 1 minus 2 by 2, 3 plus 4 by 2. Correct? Understood my point how I wrote?
Yes.
Guys, you understood how I wrote this 2? I did midpoint. A midpoint formula is what, beta? X1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula, correct? I used the same formula here. X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. BF. What is BF? What is BF here? This is B. F value is given here. Okay. This is x2 plus 2 by 2, y2 minus 5 by 2. Similarly, D is given to you here. Midpoint of these two is what? Minus 1 minus 2 by 2, 3 plus 4 by 2. So now what I'm going to get here from this? I'm going to get what, beta? Tell me. X2 plus 2 by 2 is equal here minus 3 by 2, right? This is equal to this, beta. This is equal to this. X coordinate is equal to x coordinate. So 2 will get cancelled, beta. What is x2, beta? Minus 5. All right. What is y2 going to be now? Let us find it over. Minus 5 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. This will get cancelled. Y2 is equal to 12. So my B is going to be what now? X2 comma y2, right? Minus 5 comma 12 I got. Similarly, you have to find out C as well. Like that. Okay, we will discuss this question again in the next class. So we have done the time. I have another class, beta. So hope you understood till this. Till this you understood, right?
I have a doubt in the sixth one. I got x value as 12m plus 3.
So whatever. We will discuss it, beta. We will discuss it. Don't worry. Okay. So let us leave right now. Let us make a move now. I have class. Okay, let me join that. It is 8, beta. So already 2 minutes delay. You just whatever the doubts you have, just keep it with you and ask me in the next class without fail. Okay. Okay, children. All right.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.